हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, हम यूपीएससी होम्योपैथी एमओ 2017 का पेपर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 100 तक सभी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर चुके हैं। आज के इस वीडियो में हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम 101 से लेकर 150 तक के क्वेश्चंस करके सबको सॉल्व करके इस पेपर को ख़त्म करें, ताकि क्योंकि हमें आगे और प्रीवियस ईयर्स में आए हुए ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं, साथ ही साथ हमें बाकी का स्टडी मटेरियल भी रिवाइज करना है, ताकि हमारी आने वाले एमओ पेपर के लिए तैयारी बहुत ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो सके। क्योंकि यूपीएससी ने जो बहुत अच्छी सीट्स निकाल के 2 बार एडवर्टाइजमेंट डिक्लेयर करके आप लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट की है। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, percolation is used for the extraction of which type of drug substance? फार्मेसी का क्वेश्चन है। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, dried vegetable as well as animal drug substances. Now friends, look to question number 102. Nux vomica is prepared from seeds. It belongs to family. Option A Longinaceae, option B Solanaceae, option C Ranunculaceae, option D Papaveraceae. सब जानते हैं नक्स वोमिका सीड से बनती है और इसकी फैमिली कौन सी है ये आपको बताना है। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, Longinaceae इज द राइट आंसर। Friends, question number 103. Eagle folia belong to plant sorts. The description and detail for this drug include 1. Synonym beel, 2. Family Compositaceae, 3. It is distributed in India, 4th part used for its preparation is whole plant. आपको ये चारों स्टेटमेंट पढ़ने के बाद कॉम्बिनेशंस में बताना है कि ईगल फोलिया को लेके कौन कौन सी बातें सही है। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, 1 and 3 are correct. Synonym beel and distributed in India. Question number 104. Which medicine after preparation should be stored in glycerine? Option A Mersol, B petroleum, C lacases, D picric acid. The right answer is option C, lacases should be stored in glycerine. Friends, question number 105. What is the common name for the drug Lycopodium clavatum? Option A foxglove, B club moss, C broom, D daffodil. Very easy question. The right answer is B club moss. Question number 106. Which one of the following vehicles dry is not used for potentization? नीचे दिए गए ड्राई व्हीकल में से कौन सा व्हीकल पोटेंटाइजेशन में यूज नहीं होता? ए शुगर ऑफ मिल्क, बी केन शुगर, सी ग्लोब्यूल्स, डी ग्रेप शुगर। वेरी इजी, आप सभी जानते हैं शुगर ऑफ मिल्क, केन शुगर, ग्रेप शुगर ये सब पोटेंटाइजेशन में यूज होते हैं। ऑप्शन सी ग्लोब्यूल इज राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 107. Which one of the following is not correct with regard to preservation of potentized medicine? Potentized medicine के preservation के संदर्भ में कौन सी बात सही नहीं है? Option A bottles should be filled entirely full. B they should be preserved in a cool dry place. Option C colored bottles should be avoided. Option D if the liquid or solid potentized medicine change their normal color they should be rejected immediately. Right answer is option A bottle should be filled entirely full. Question number 108. Which one of the following is an example of exanthum nosode? Option A Surinam, option B Anthracinum, option C Tuberculinum, option D Carcinosin. Right answer is option B Anthracinum. Question number 109. In reference to habit and environment, higher potencies are best suited to? Option A those who sleep little, option B those persons engaged in highly intellectual and mental work, option C those whose food is coarse, D idiots, imbecile and the deaf and dumb. The right answer is option B those person engaged in highly intellectual and mental work. Question number 110. Which one of the following is not correct regarding minimum dose? नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से मिनिमम डोज के रिगार्डिंग कौन सी बात सही नहीं है? पहला पॉइंट है ऑप्शन ए इट इज नॉट बेनिफिशियल टू द पेशेंट, ये पेशेंट्स के लिए बेनिफिशियल नहीं होती है। बी इट इज क्यूरेटिव इन एक्शन, सी इट इज नॉट टॉक्सिक इन नेचर, डी इट्स एक्शन हैज बीन प्रूव्ड। जी हाँ, क्यूरेटिव होती है, नॉट टॉक्सिक होती है और इसका एक्शन प्रूव्ड होता है, क्योंकि ड्रग प्रूविंग के दौरान हम मिनिमम डोज को ही प्रूव करते हैं। तो पहला पॉइंट जो है कि बेनिफिशियल नहीं होती है पेशेंट के लिए, ये बात गलत है। हमसे गलत बात पूछी थी, नॉट करेक्ट, तो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर। Question number 111. In case of hypertrophic pyloric stenosis, the metabolic disturbance is option A respiratory alkalosis, option B metabolic acidosis, Option C, metabolic acidosis with alkaline urine. Option D, metabolic acidosis with paradoxical aciduria. इस क्वेश्चन वेस के ऑप्शंस में कुछ डिस्प्यूट रहा है, जिसकी वजह से मैं चाहूंगी कि आप सब लोग इस क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़ें और इसका आंसर ढूंढ के मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं. Question number 112. A 2-year boy present with poor urinary stream. The most likely cause is option A, stricture urethra, B, neurogenic bladder, option C, posterior urethral valve, option D, urethral calculus. The right answer is option C, posterior urethral valve. Question number 113. Bitemporal hemiapnea is seen in option A, occipital lobe tumor, B, frontal lobe tumor, C, parietal lobe tumor, D, pituitary tumor. The right answer is option D, pituitary tumor. Question number 114. All of the following are features of subdural hemorrhage except. नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा सबड्यूरल हेमरेज का फीचर नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए, रिलेटिवली सीवियर ट्रॉमा, बी, ल्यूसिड इंटरवल, सी, डिफ्यूज कॉन्केव लेजन ऑन सीटी, डी, 50% mortality. The right answer is option B, lucid interval. Question number 115. The Leishman test is the most sensitive test for the evaluation of option A, medial collateral ligament, option B, lateral collateral ligament, option C, anterior cruciate ligament, option D, posterior cruciate ligament. The right answer is option C, anterior cruciate ligament. Question number 116. All of the following are pre-malignant lesion of oral cavity except. नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शन में सभी ओरल कैविटी के प्री मैलिग्नेंट लेजन हैं, आपको बताना है कौन सा नहीं है. ऑप्शन ए, ओरल कैंडिडियासिस, ऑप्शन बी, अर्थ्रोप्लेकिया, ऑप्शन सी, ल्यूकोप्लेकिया, ऑप्शन डी, ओरल सबम्यूकोजल फाइब्रोसिस. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, ओरल कैंडिडियासिस, जो कि प्री मैलिग्नेंट नहीं है ओरल कैविटी के लिए. Question number 117. The most common cause of cyanosis from a congenital cardiac defect in newborn period is option A, tetralogy of Fallot, option B, transposition of great vessel, option C, Esmenger syndrome, D, ventricular septal defect. The right answer is option B. Question number 118. Calorigenesis is a feature of option A, hypothyroidism, option B, hyperthyroidism, option C, hypoparathyroidism, option D, none of these. The right answer is option B, hyperthyroidism. Question number 119. Which of the following are the functions of spinal cord? 1. It gives origin to 31 pair of spinal nerve. 2. It gives origin to autonomic nerves. 3. Reflex center for spinal nerve. 4. Contain lower center like micronutrition defection. Select the correct answer using the code below. The right answer is option B. 1, 3, 4 statement are correct, while statement 2 gives origin to autonomic nerve is wrong. Question number 120. Thyrotropin releasing hormone is secreted from option A, anterior pituitary, option B, posterior pituitary, option C, thyroid gland, option D, hypothalamus. The right answer is option D, hypothalamus. Question number 121 from physiology. Which of the following can cross the cell membrane? Option A, oxygen, option B, carbon dioxide, option C, alcohol, option D, all of these. The right answer is option D, all of these can cross the cell membrane. Question number 122. The phagocytic cell of the placenta are option A, macrophages, option B, microglia, option C, Hauber cell, option D, Kupffer cell. The right answer is option C, Hauber cells. Question number 123. Which one of the following is not correct about testosterone? Option A, increases body hair but decreases scalp hair growth. Option B, maintains spermatogenesis, prolongs life of sperm. Option C, decreases protein synthesis, increases protein breakdown. Option D, causes development of internal external genitalia in fetus. The right answer is option C, decreases protein synthesis and increases protein breakdown. Question number 124. Mode of transportation of carbon dioxide in blood is mainly in the form of option A bicarbonate, option B serum globulin, option C hemoglobin, option D physical solution in plasma. The right answer is option A. Question number 125. The endocrine status of ovarian failure is identified by the demonstration of option A raised serum FSH concentration, option B raised serum LH concentration, option C raised serum estradiol level, option D raised serum prolactin level. The right answer is option A raised serum FSH concentration. The question was from Gynae Ops. Question number 126. Which one of the following examination is required for vaginal diseases? Option A sigmoidoscopy, B bronchoscopy, C colposcopy, D colonoscopy. The right answer is option C colposcopy. Question number 127. In the mechanism of labor, external rotation is the movement of rotation of head visible externally due to option A untwisting of the neck sustained during internal rotation, B internal rotation of the shoulders, C exaggerated movement of neck, D bearing down pain. Right answer is option B internal rotation of shoulders. Question number 128. Which one of the following is the smallest anterior-posterior engaging diameter on the fetal skull? A. Suboccipitofrontal, B. Occipitofrontal, C. Mentovertical, D. Submentobrachmatic. The right answer is option D. Submentobrachmatic. Question number 129. Which one of the following is not a criteria for diagnosis of PCOS? A. Acanthosis nigricans, B. Menstrual cycle disturbance, C. Biochemical hyperandrogenism, D. Ultrasound detection of polycystic ovaries. Right answer is option A. Acanthosis nigricans. Question number 130. Which one of the following is the main cause of Asherman syndrome? Option A chronic cervicitis, option B hysterosalpingography, option C fibroid uterus, option D endometrial curettage. The right answer is option D endometrial curettage. Question number 131. The symptom during pregnancy fetus moves too violently is given under which one of the following medicine in Allen's keynote? Option A Surinam, B Medorinum, C Syphilinum, D Ambragresia. Right answer is option A Surinam. Question 132. The lipid layer of tear film is secreted by which one of the following glands or cells? A. Tarsal gland, B. Lacrimal gland, C. Orbital gland, D. Goblet cell. Right answer is A. Tarsal gland. Question number 133. Which muscle of the soft palate is supplied by mandibular branch of trigeminal nerve? The right answer is option D. Question number 134. All are the branches of deep palmar arch except A. Palmar metacarpal arteries, B. Perforating digital arteries, C. Recurrent branch, D. Digital arteries. The right answer is C. Recurrent branch. Question number 135. Which part of the stomach is supplied by short gastric arteries? Option A. Lesser curvature, B. Fundus, C. Pylorus, D. Pyloric antrum. The right answer is option B. Fundus. Question number 136. Which one of the following muscles has a dual nerve supply? Option A adductor brevis, option B adductor longus, option C adductor magnus, option D adductor hallucis. Right answer is option C adductor magnus. Question number 137. Which one of the following is not correct regarding nucleus pulposus? Option A. It is the central part of the disc. Option B. It is hard at birth. Option C. It acts as a hydraulic shock absorber. Option D. With advancing age, the elasticity is much reduced. The right answer is option B. Question number 138. Peripheral heart is the name given to which muscle? Option A involuntary muscle, B intercostal muscle, C soleus muscle, D pectoralis major. Right answer is option C soleus muscle. Question number 139. Helicobacter pylori can tolerate gastric acid due to option A breakdown of urea by urease, B formation of enzyme other than urease, C remain deep inside the mucus layer, D remain within the muscular contraction. The right answer is option A breakdown of urea by urease. Question number 140. Enterotoxic E. coli is diagnosed by the following test except A. Rabbit ileal loop test. B. Infant mood assay. C. Saline test. D. ELISA test. The right answer is option C. Question number 141. A female patient developed gangrene in her fingers during winter season. She is instructed to dip her hand in cold water kept in a tumbler. In doing so, she develops cyanosis in her hand. The probable diagnosis is option A. Raynaud's disease, B. Berger disease, C. frostbite, D. cyanotic heart disease. The right answer is option A. Raynaud's disease. Raynaud's disease बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत सारे प्रीवियस पेपर में आया हुआ है. Question number 142. Mycobacterium leprae are found in A. Skin lesion, B. Nerve lesion, C. Nasal smear, D. All of these. The right answer is option D. All of these. Question number 143. Length of fetus after full term gestation is option A 40 centimeter, B 30 centimeter, C 55 centimeter, D 50 centimeter. The right answer is option D 50 centimeter. Question number 144. Putrefaction of the body is due to option A Clostridium welchi, B E. coli, C Streptococci, D airborne virus. The right answer is option A Clostridium welchi causes putrefaction of the body. Question number 145. Functions of Indian Medical Council are all except A. Maintenance of medical register, B. De-recognition of medical qualifications, C. Exercise of disciplinary control, D. Recognition of foreign medical graduate. The right answer is option C. Exercise of disciplinary control. Question number 146. Administering narcotics or other medications to relieve pain with incidental consequence of causing sufficient respiratory depression to result in patient death is termed as. अगर आपने इस तरह के नार्कोटिक्स या मेडिकेशन दिए पेशेंट को जिससे उसका पेन कम हो जाए पर उसकी वजह से उसको रेस्पिरेटरी डिप्रेशन होकर पेशेंट की डेथ हो जाए तो उसे क्या कहा जाएगा? इसमें सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी इनडायरेक्ट यूथनेसिया कहा जाएगा. Question number 148. Which one of the morbidity rate is not used for assessing ill health in the community? A. Incidence and prevalence. B. Duration of stay in hospital. C. Full attendance at work or school. D. Attendance rate at outpatient department of health center. The right answer is option C. Full attendance at work or school is not used. Question number 149. Jones criteria is taken into consideration for diagnosis. A. Malarial fever, B. Rabies, C. Rheumatic fever, D. Dengue fever. Right answer is option C. Rheumatic fever. Question number 150. The occupational hazard related to bladder cancer is option A. Asbestos industry, B. Working with chromium, C. Rubber industry, D. Aniline dye industry. Right answer is option D. Thanks for watching.